Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Mandala Mondays for let's see, November 25th. This is an open collaboration hosted by M Beans Color with Me. And for this week, I am using the 100 Mandala Color by Number book that I recently got, coloring book for adults. Um, it's not bad. It's actually pretty easy. I can get them done pretty quickly. But one thing I don't really care for is the numbers are very dark, so you can see them well, but they still show up. Even with, I think I did another one for, yeah, they're going to show up no matter what medium you use, except maybe acrylic markers, which I haven't tested. Acrylic pens or markers. So this week the colors were fuchsia pink. I don't know, I didn't really have that in what I was using. Fountain blue, which I wrote in pencil. I looked these colors up. Light, medium, bright shades of cyan. Sort of a green blue, but muted. And it has a hex color, but I just used this one, which is sort of a green blue, red, and yellow. So my fuchsia pink is really just pink. And what I use this month is, or this week, is my fairly new to me Crayola colored pencil 150 set that I got at Walmart. So yeah, I enjoyed it. These are not going to be staying in this box because I discovered I really don't like um, trying to get them out of this. And you can pull these out, but it's really you can't get the pencils out easily if you don't pull these out, and even then only the tips show. So yeah, and I also discovered that I'm pretty sure I either swatched them or I was going to, I don't know, but they're not, the pencils I think are not marked. So when I went to use some, like this one's probably pretty easy, or maybe they are. Oh yeah, they are. Sizzling Sunset. I apologize. I'm confused. I think what the issue was is the colors on the pencils didn't match up with this, so don't go by this. Swatch them out yourself. That's what I'm trying to say, I guess. So yeah, I am going to be, and I forgot to do it, buying another case, something big enough to fit 150 different colors, which includes this 32 Colors of the World pencil set. So that's what I used for this week. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you again pretty soon. Hugs, love, and peace.